Optimal vitamin D levels are essential for systemic health. It regulates cellular growth and gene expression, essential for cancer prevention, improves cell differentiation, and is involved in immunity, fertility, muscle strength, hormone balance, sexual health, energy, mood, and more. In the US and Canada, the recommended daily dose is 600 IU per day for adults and 800 IU per day for individuals over 70. While in the UK, the recommended daily dose is 400 IU. So where can you get vitamin D other than sunlight? There are some foods that contains vitamin D like salmon, swordfish, tuna, full-fat dairy that's fortified with vitamin D, sardines, beef liver, cod liver oil, and egg yolks. It's also worth noting that supplements are available in D2 and D3 forms, but you should always go for D3. In addition, look for supplements that are paired with vitamin K2, because they work together to optimize calcium metabolism. Without K2, calcium can accumulate and deposit in arteries rather than being transported to our bones. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.